Hello, today I am talking about a group of birds called auks, or alcids. Alcids are water birds that look a little bit like penguins, but they are not related to penguins. This is a penguin. Alcids look similar but are different. The puffin is a popular alcid, and they, like most alcids, share resemblance with penguins, in color mostly. But they have another similarity. They both dive underwater to catch fish and swim quickly. But every type of alcid, including puffins, can fly, penguins can't. Puffins catch fish with their thick bill. They either catch and swallow their fish right away, or they will catch a whole beakful and bring it back home. This bird and the others I will explain in a few seconds are all alcids. They get their name from their scientific group, or family that they are all in, Alcidae. Here you can see both an Atlantic puffin and an African penguin. They have similarities, but also have differences. Another type of alcid is a murre, and this one especially looks like a penguin, but just remember this. Alcids are not a type of penguin, they are not related. They look similar because of their swimming life. Murres and penguins both have streamlined bodies for swimming underwater. Murres can fly, along with all the other alcids, but they cannot glide because their wings are too small compared to the rest of their body. So why do they have small wings? Their wings are small so that they can be compact when they dive underwater. They flap their wings to propel themselves underwater, so they have smaller wings to be more fast underwater. The smaller the wing, the less drag it creates. The bird that is shown right now is a small relative of the puffin. It is called an auklet. This particular species of auklet is called the rhinoceros auklet because of the horn-like ornament on its bill. This is another type of alcid. This is another species of alcid and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the extinct great auk, which was the largest alcid ever. This is an image of the great auk. It is the only species of alcid that could not fly and is now extinct. The great auk became extinct primarily due to human activities such as overhunting for food and feathers. The last known pair was killed on the island of Eldey, off Iceland, in 1844. This is an alcid egg. It is a pointed shape of a pear fruit. This is because most alcids nest on rocky cliffs, so if an egg falls out of the nest, it will roll around in a circular motion because of the point and not roll of the cliff. Thank you for watching Plume Ornithology. I hope you learned something in this video. Like and subscribe. This is another species of alcid, and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the gray dock, which was the largest species of alcid ever. This is another species of alcid, and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the gray dock, which was the largest species of alcid ever. This is another species of alcid, and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the gray dock, which was the largest species of alcid ever. This is another species of alcid, and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the gray dock. Hotch was the largest alcid ever. This is another species of alcid, and it is called the razorbill. It is the closest living relative of the gray dock, which was the largest alcid ever.